parts, you'll be able to compare and order functions and find fractional parts of a number. Okay? All right, so here, let's look at the warm-up question. What are the next three numbers in this sequence? So all I'm looking for is a pattern. So it looks like we take away 2, just write minus 2, and then we add 5. We take away 2, and then we add 5, and then we're going to take away 2, so that's going to give us 9. Then we're going to add 5, so that's going to give us 14. And take away 2, so it's going to be 12. So therefore, the next three numbers in the sequence are going to be 9, 14, and 12, because again, we took away 2, we add 5, we took away 2, and that's going to give us the next three numbers in the sequence. The power-up, that was when completed on a Google form. All right, fractions have two parts, a numerator and a denominator. Remember, the numerator sits on top of the denominator, so the numerator is up top, denominator is down below. All right, so let's look at this question. There are 30 questions on a test, 1/3, so I'm just going to go ahead and write down what I know. So 1/3 were true, false, and 2/5 were multiple choice, and we had 30 total questions. So how many questions were true, false? So let's go ahead and do, so we have 30 questions in total, all times it says 1/3 were true, false, so 1/3. This is going to give me 30/3, which reduces to 10 true or false questions on the test. Okay, how many questions were neither of those? So therefore, again, looking at, so we did that first one, so now looking at the second one. How many questions were multiple choice? So we have 30 all times, let's see, 2/5 for multiple choice. So again, out of the 30 total questions, 2/5 for multiple choice. We can also think about 30 as just 30/1. Whenever we multiply fractions, just multiply across the top, multiply across the bottom. So we're going to get 60/5. 60 divided by 5 is going to give us 12 questions that were multiple choice, so MC for multiple choice. Then I'm going to do the last one on this new sheet. So it says, how many questions were neither of those? So we had 30 total questions. And then, let's see, we had 10 true or false and 12 multiple choice. So minus 10 minus 12 equals the unknown that we're trying to solve for neither. So 30, 10 and 12 is 22, so therefore it looks like 8. So 8 were not true or false or multiple choice. So 8 questions were not true or false or multiple choice. All right, so and again, I just want to make sure we answered each question. All right, we're good. Let's go ahead and keep going. Arrange these from least to greatest. All right, so 3/6, I can just divide the top and bottom by 3, and then therefore it's going to be 1/2. So I know that's going to be like 0.5. All right, 3/5, I know it's a little bit more than half, so, and if we wanted to go ahead and do that, we can see that we can write 3/5 just as 6/10, and then as a decimal, that's just going to be 0.6. And then 3/8, we know that's just below half, so we know that that's got to be the least. So the least is 3/8, then 3/6 in the middle, and then the largest is 3/5. Again, I just arranged them from least to greatest. Compare 2/3 of an hour to 2/5 of an hour. So I know there are 60 minutes in an hour. So 60 minutes times 2/3 equals 60 minutes times 2 is 120 minutes. All divided by 3 is going to give us 40 minutes. And now let's look at 2/5 of an hour. So let's say I got 60 minutes, all times 2/5 of an hour. So we got 120 minutes, all divided by 5. And we see if we do 120 divided by 5 in our calculator, I believe that should be 24. Let's see. Yeah, so it's going to be 24 minutes. All right, so we've done exactly what the question asked for. 2/3 of an hour is going to be 40 minutes. 2/5 of an hour is going to be 24 minutes. All right, so here's the lesson practice set. So I'll give everyone a chance to go ahead and work on this lesson practice set. And then lesson 5, fractional parts, you'll be able to compare and order fractions and find fractional parts of a number. We had our homework answers to lesson 4 here. And then the lesson 5 homework are the starter problems 11, 12, 15, and 30. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a wonderful day.